So normal, understand, madam. Good evening, children.
Good evening,
Good evening,
sir.
sir.
Evening, sir.
How are you all?
On top
In
of the
top
world,
of the
Top of the world,
sir.
sir.
Welcome to the taxation R2E, the most important subject. So the repeat telecast. Inge Sayed Ryan.
Thank you, sir. Same to you, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಜೀವನ ಚಿತ್ರಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಮತ್ತೆ
ನಿಮ್ಗೇನೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರುವಾಗ.
ಓಕೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು?
ಹಾ ಸರಿ
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಒಂದು ಸಖತ್ ಜೋಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್.
Sir.
Very nice on it, time permits. Okay. So those written earlier, you can look into it. Otherwise, start writing first. Okay. So taxation. If you written already, just look into it. Don't grasp me. Okay. Yes. So taxation, 2 RMRs. Left side income tax, right side GST. Below income tax, 50 marks. Under that 2 RMRs. MCQ for 15 marks. MCQ ಕೆಳಗೆ 2 case studies into 3 questions into 2 marks. Those are already written, just look into it, is equal to 12 marks. Then 2 independent, 2 plus 1, 3, 12 plus 3, how much? 15 marks. Coming to the right side, descriptive, 30 plus R. So descriptive 30 out of 45. So 35 out of 30 plus 45 marks. 35 out of 49 marks. 35 out of 49 marks. I remember vaguely SMS ಸರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರ ನೀವಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಪಾಪ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೆಗೆದು ಸೈಯದ್ ಯಾರ ಪಾಪ? SMS ಸರ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಪ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ನೀವು. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೇನು ಯೂಸು? ನೀನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸು? ಹೇಳು. ಪಾಪ ಯಾರು ಅದು ಹೇಳು. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಹಾಳಾಗೋದು.
GST ಸರ್. SMS ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ ಪಾಪನಾ? ಬುಧವಾರ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೆ ನಿನಗೆ. So you write 35 out of 49 marks. 49 marks. First question compulsory. Question 1 compulsory for 15 marks. Comprising of many heads of income. Mainly PGBP. Deductions under chapter 6A. Deductions under chapter 6A. Then tax computation, Nitya. That's for 15 marks. Next. Remaining questions. Remaining 3 questions. 6 plus 4 or 5 plus 5 or 4 plus 4 plus 2. Normally, ಅದು 2A 2B ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. 2A 2B, section 5, section 6, ಮತ್ತೆ
TDS applicability.
TDS applicability. 10 marks. 3A 3B, salary, house property, capital gain computation. Then reasoning. Then clubbing can be sometimes here or down. That is for 5 plus 5 or 6 plus 4. Then right side. Sorry, right side. Next. Question number 4.
4A.
Yes, sir. 4A.
Set off and carry forward. 4A 4B. Set off and carry forward. Then assessment procedure. Compulsory question for 4 marks. Is a format. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಎನಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, so first you learn everything, then at the end I'll compile and tell you exam oriented, at least to pass how much, what is the score. 100 ತೆಗೆಬೇಕು, you have to read everything, but at least from passing angle. So out of the plethora of syllabus what you learned, what is the most crucial, that I'll tell you. So to know about that, you should know everything. What you have to skip, what you should know, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you should read everything. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hi, hi,
Yes,
hi.
sir.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Sir.
So look at me now. See the format ಅನ್ನು ಈಗಲೇ ವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 15 marks MCQ. ಎರಡು ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 15 marks ಕೃಪಾ. ದೆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2A 2B ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸಾರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ TDS ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಔಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್. ದೆನ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂಗು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್, whether this gift income is taxable, this is not taxable, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ 3 to 4 marks. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. ಇದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ 49? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4 marks ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 marks MCQ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 15 marks ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. Then 6 plus 4 done, 5 plus 5 done. Last question ಅಲ್ಲಿ there may be 6 plus 4 or 4 ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮझ में आ गया? ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Yes, sir.
question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 4 marks. ಸ್ಕೆಲೆಟನ್ ಈಗಲೇ ಬಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ you're moving towards the exam. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ GST. ಸರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ತರ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. GST again 2 marks. Left side MCQ 15 marks. Give the arrow mark to the MCQs of income tax. Same, 2 case studies, then 2 independent questions. That is same. Okay, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Then below the right side descriptive, ನೋಡಿ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, descriptive. Descriptive 35 out of 50. 35 out of 50. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 to 8 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ದೆನ್ 2, 3, 4 ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5, 6, 7, 8 are listening. Fifth question in the thing about GST is the first question. Fifth question in the sequence compulsory within the bracket GST first question. For normally 10 plus 5 marks. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15 marks ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ 10 plus 5. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 marks ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 computation of GST, input credit, RCM, etc. ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ GST, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್, RCM, etc. ಅದು ಇನ್ನು ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8. Normally 5 plus 5 or 6 normally 5 plus 5 ಇರೋದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ. GST ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 plus 4 ರೇರ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ 5 plus 5 or 2 plus 3 plus 5. ಒಂದು 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ, 2 plus 3 plus 5. And in the last question 5 marks internal choice. That's how it becomes 50 marks. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ 6A analytical question bar computation question of ITC exemption. Is it exempt or taxable? ಆ ತರ easy question. 7th question analytical tax computation with the theory. Due date ಯಾವಾಗ, interest ಯಾವಾಗ, analytical computation bar with the theory. Then procedural question. ಈಗ goods in transit ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Good procedural question. ITC, sorry, 8th question. Mainly theory oriented. Mainly theory oriented. You're able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this was September 25 question paper. If you can look at here, case study 1. 90% this format is followed. This format ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Income tax is 15 plus 35. So 15 MCQ, no choice. 35 out of 49. So 4 marks extra ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. Then GST is 15 plus 35. 35 out of 50. So because you will be getting an internal choice of another 5 marks. So first point. First question descriptive compulsory, 15 marks in each case. Then 10 marks you have to answer. 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10. Income tax alone 4 marks extra, GST alone extra, 5 marks extra internal choice. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now if you look at the format of the question paper, so first case is about 3 questions. Like another case study. It can be anything. Income tax case studies can be anything. That I'll tell you only after completion. Yeah. Then independent questions 7 and 8. 7 is for 2 marks, and probably 8 questions is for 1 mark. So that 15 marks. Same way with the GST. Case study 3 is for GST. Here again 3 questions. Here again 3 questions. Then last 2 questions, okay, will be 2 marks and 1 mark. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes.
Yeah. ಒಂದು ಅನ್ಮಿಟ್ ಬಡಿ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then
Yes, sir.
descriptive ಅಲ್ಲಿ question 1 is compulsory. Answer any 2 from the remaining 3. Working notes ಎಲ್ಲ common. Now if you look at this, ಈ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು all computation of business income, which are not started yet. ಅಂದ್ರೆ business income problem ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Next couple of days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So what is the expenses allowed? What is the expenses not allowed? Why is it allowed? If you remember, Prime Minister National Relief Fund ಇರ್ಬೋದು, interest on loan taken till it is ready to use. ಇವತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Contribution to 80CCD scheme up to 14% allowed. Next, why it is disallowed? ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ discussion ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You have to write like this, which are not taught you. Then some deductions like ATG ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 80 ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then computation of tax. This person may be above 60 years. That's why 3 lakh ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಥವಾ new regime ಅಂದ್ರೆ 369 whatever. Don't worry about the calculation part. Then the second question will be about computation of total income. If is a R and R, if is a R but N, ನೋಡಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 200 days 182 days ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ computation of tax. Then the TDS applicable, which are not taught you yet, ಇನ್ನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. TDS applicable is a very common question. Third question, as I said, it can be capital gain ಇರ್ಬೋದು, salary ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ there may be what you call the house property ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಇದೆ. Then there may be some analytical question ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Fourth question normally set off irutte. Okay, house property, business income, capital gain set off. Somewhere we touched it, if you remember. Loss from owning resources ಎಲ್ಲ set off ಮಾಡೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Then the last sub question will be on analytical question of assessment procedure, advance tax ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. When do you file the income tax return? 139(1). That's it. So simple. Clear? Code ಬಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಅದೇ ತರ GST ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್. Only thing is first question instead of what 15 marks straight away, they will ask 10 and 5 normally. Most of the time they've asked 10 and 5, 15 marks. There is no bar that they cannot ask 15 marks. They normally ask 10 and 5. So there will be two questions, some questions. Look at this. 5A and there. Then down somewhere there will be 5B, 10 plus 5 marks. So the computation of tax, input credit, GST, reversal, RCM, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. Then sixth question ಇಂದ analytical question ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Is it taxable? Is it not taxable? ಅಥವಾ ITC computation ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ITC computation with the analytical question. So every question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು sub question ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Will be some analytical theory. Analytical theory ಅಂದ್ರೆ if it is what is the POPs? Who is POPs? Place of provision of service. So POPs ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಭಾವನಾ?
Yes.
ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಆ ತರ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. CGST, IGST, ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್. GST ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಡಿಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If that is the case, let us straight away get into the revision. There is a beautiful revision material which has been shared. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So sit straight, focus. Income tax is a tax on total income earned by an assessee during the previous year, chargeable to taxing assessment year. There are two kinds of taxes. One is called direct tax, one is called indirect tax. Direct tax means incidence and impact is on the same person. This income tax, what I defined, comes under direct taxes, probably the only example as of now. Then indirect taxes, incidence and impact on two different persons, GST, custom duty, etc. Now, income tax, it is a tax. Tax means income tax. It is as of now till January 27 exam. All of us are coming under 1961 Act. 2025 Act also, there is no substantial difference. Only the section numbers will change, which I also have to study, you also have to study. That's okay, that's not a big deal, right? So, income tax, Act of 1961 has given the definition in section 2. Tax is given in 243. Tax means income tax on total income. Anything earned by any SSE comes under 5 heads. NIM syllabus mainly non-corporate. Individuals mainly, little bit of partnership firm, not more than that, intermediate level. So, 5 heads of income. I am working under Smita madam, get salary, come home, house property, do pani puri business income, sell jewelry or land, capital gain, invest in Anand Nagar, ladies, cooperative bank, attractive interest. That's called income from other source. There are the 5 heads, sir. Chapter 4 talks about heads of income. 4 talks about heads of income. 4A, income from salary sections.
15 to 17.
15 to 17.
4B, omitted 18 to 21. 4C,
22 to 27.
27. Very good. Income from house property. New students, recent journal or Talakets Padi. Chapter 4D, everybody must remember the chapter number. Sections
28 to 44.
28 to 44
DB.
44 DB, BGBP. Chapter 4E, capital gains, 45 to
55.
and
Yeah.
last income from other source, chapter 4F, section
56 to
56 to 59.
very good. No student in the country at intermediate level have at least the knowledge what you have compared to the other student. But Shetty sir is not satisfied. I am happy but not satisfied. You should still know more. You are Shetty sir student alva. That's why you should know more. Ye dil mange more tara. Okay? Illi, I am happy. So I worked and got so much of income. Adana add madaga what it comes is called income from salary, house property, business income. Ella add madaga what you get is called gross total income. From the gross total income, when I deduct some specific deductions given under chapter 6A, that gives you total income. The total income. So tax is on total income. Basic exemption limit. As of now, there are 2 regimes. Default tax regime is new regime. 115 BAC, which I not taught you yet. That will come at the end. So old regime is the main syllabus what we are learning now. So whatever I'm doing the revision in the couple of classes is only old regime, new regime alla. New regime alla. New regime ಇನ್ನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. Is it clear? Now sir, old regime ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದು ನೀವು don't have a stupid idea. Old ಅಲ್ಲ. Old regime applicable to all of us. There are two regimes which you have to study. New regime, just one class will be able to cover. Whatever is there in the old regime, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ deviation is called new regime. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. There is nothing much. So to know new regime, you should know the old regime. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Focus ಮಾಡಿ, fully focus ಮಾಡಿ. Right. So the chapter 60 reduction minus ಮಾಡಾಗ total income ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Total income ಮೇಲೆ tax. Tax starts with the slab rates. So there are 5 slab SSCs: individual, HF,
Individual,
AOP,
Individual,
BOY,
AJP.
AJP. Very good. All these 5 ಅನ್ನ, so 5 category same slabs up to 2,50,000 ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Up to 2,50,000.
Up to 2,50,000 till 2,00,000 to 5 5%, 5% 10 lakh to
5 lakh to 10 lakh, 20%.
20%.
Above 10 lakh,
30%.
30%.
40%. 87A relief, 87A rebate is applicable when your total income is up to 5 lakh. So 5 lakh and 4 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 lakh and 5 ಆದರೆ rounded off to nearest to 10.
rupees 10.
That's why rebate ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Up to rupees 12,500. Then above 50 lakh ಇದ್ದಾಗ surcharge ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Up to 50 lakh ಇಲ್ಲ. Above 50 lakh it is 10%. Above 100 lakh 15%. Above 200 lakh it is 25%. Above 500 lakh 37%. 37%. And whenever the total income is slightly above 50 lakh, 100 lakh, you will also get a marginal relief. Okay, marginal relief. Marginal relief is when an additional tax is more than the additional income, that excess tax will be reduced from your tax payable. That's called marginal relief. You are able to recall?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Next. So total tax less 87 if it is applicable. Add surcharge. At the end, all the cases you have to add
4% HEC.
HECL 4%.
HEC 4% add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Is that crystal clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. So if you're a partnership firm, local authority, tax rate is flat 30%. Companies get normally tax rate is 30%. Special cases it can come down from 25% to 15%, which you touch it at the end. Subject in syllabus ಅಲ್ಲಿ touching ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಲಿ ಬೇಡ. Then also other than 5 slab SSC, for everybody else, surcharge applies only when the total income is more than 100 lakh. Below 100 lakh ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Above 100 lakh only surcharge comes, normally 12%. Normally 12%. Is that. Income tax, the tax on total income earned by an SSC. Very important section. Section number?
2 class 7.
Yeah,
Class
2
7.
class 7. Very good. Okay, everybody ಹೇಳಿ. ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಭಾವನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಹೇಳು. ನೀನು ಹೇಳು. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ಹೇಳು. ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ SSC 27. SSC means a person who is liable to tax or any other sum under this act, interest, fees, penalty, and includes representative SSC, agent of a non-resident, deemed SSC, parent of a minor, SSC in default, the SSC who doesn't respond to the notice of the department. Fine. Now, minors income, when the minors who are normally below 18 years, however, if they are if the parents are not alive, okay, in that case, guardian will be appointed. Then in that case, Purti revision class, Purti, focus now. So, guardian is appointed. When the guardian is appointed, 21 years they continue to be the minor. So, in the case of the minor, up to whatever income earned by the minor who is suffering from disability, referred in 80, whatever income, or normal minor child, income from equal cost, Bhavana.
Chem.
Skill.
Knowledge, Srisha, very good.
Expertise.
Manual work, Chitra, very good. Manual work, all these incomes will never be clubbed. It will be its own income, but he cannot sign. The parent who sign will be called deemed SSC. All other incomes like FD interest, bank interest, debenture interest will be clubbed in the hands of such a parent under section 64(1)(a), who has got the highest total income in the first year, and he will be given an exemption of huge exemption of 1,500 per minor child. 1,500 per minor child. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Network issue, is it clearly audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. Right. So, earned by an SSC, very important. Who is a person? 2 within bracket.
Class 31.
31.
ಎಲ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ ಭಾವನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಹೇಳು ಎಲ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ 231 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳಿ 231 ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ there are 5 categories 7 categories
Individual.
individual HF company, then individual HF company firm, AOP or BY whether incorporated or not, local authority, AJP, artificial juridical person, not falling the above category. And last 3 cases, explanation is alone, even if they are not for profit making, they are called person for the purpose of income tax law. Right. Income tax is a tax on total income earned by receipt during the previous year. For all of us till January 27, the previous year is 2025-26. Bhavani, 1st April 2025 in the 31st March 26, whatever you earn, that's called previous year 25-26. And immediate next year, when you're supposed to pay the tax and file your return, is called assessment year. Previous year is 25-26. Inchara, assessment year is what? 26-27. So, income is earned in the previous year and chargeable tax pronoun in the assessment year. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then chargeability. What is charge? You cannot imagine mobile laptop working without charge. Same way, any taxation law, there is something like a charging section. Charging andre, what is the basis on which the incomes are chargeable? Audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is the basis based on which incomes are taxable or chargeable? So now, so capital receipts are normally not chargeable unless specifically included. Revenue receipts are normally chargeable. Specifically exempted. Fine. So that is about the section 4. Then there are a lot of other things. Special incomes means income for which the tax rates are given by the Income Act itself. 111A, I will not discuss all these things in detail. 111A, STCG, tax data,
Flat
20%. 112A, long-term special LTCG, tax data, 12.5%.
Sir, relaxation.
Excellent. Then 112, tax data flat, 12.5%.
12.5.
Lottery income, which is a casual income, tax data flat,
30%.
every other income is a normal income. Fine. So let us go through some basics before we get into the section-wise analysis. So income tax is a tax on total income. Then total income is total of all. SC definition important. Previous year is normally 12 months. But when the new business or profession start in the middle of the year, or when the new source arises in the middle of the year, that will be called, it can be less than 12 months. Assessment year is always 12 months. But income of the previous year may be chargeable tax in the assessment year. Question Darshan, if business is discontinued, in that case also you have to tax the income of the previous year in the previous year itself. So in the following cases, income of the previous year is chargeable to tax in previous year itself. Slap D anta, shipping business of non-resident, leaving India permanently. Kotidia?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Person definition, chargeability, etc. Fine. So this is a surcharge rate I told you, 10% to 37% mainly. 87-year rebate, new regime subject bada. For resident individual up to 5 lakh rupees, he gets a 12,500 rebate. Next, agricultural income. One more extremely important. New 200 pages book kanne ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ revision ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ agricultural income 2(1)A gives the definition. Rent or revenue derived from an agricultural land in India. Income from the activity of agriculture including marketing process. Income from farm buildings star conditions apply. Farm building should be located in a non-urban area and it's subject to what, Trisha? Local land revenue tax. What is urban? A town or a municipality having a population less than 10,000 is never urban. More than 10,000 plus 2 kilometers is urban. More than 1 lakh plus 6 kilometers is urban. More than 10 lakh plus 8 kilometers is urban. From the local limit. Parota part idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this 10,000 plus 2 kilometers. Then if the population is more than 10,000, 1 lakh adre plus 6 kilometers. Then 10 lakh adre plus 8 kilometers. Understanding, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So agricultural income. So agriculture income, because the people are misusing there's a concept of partial integration introduced. For partial integration, there are 3 conditions. Agriculture income should exceed
5,000.
5,000 per annum.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ಆಲ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಟಫ್ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ 2 months ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ದೇವರಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ವೀಕ್ ಯು ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸೊ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್
5,000.
5,000 per annum.
Annum per annum.
and non-agriculture income should exceed
Basic exemption limit.
partial integration. Partial integration, there are 3 steps. Step 1, Kashyap Darshan, add agriculture income to non-agriculture income, compute tax. Step 2, add agriculture income to BEL, compute tax. Step 3, step 1 minus step 2. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 87A ರಿಬೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು 87A ರಿಬೇಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಸರ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
then so because of the partial integration agriculture income is partly taxable you
Sir,
remember
fully
exempt.
Kirtana
Fully
hello
exempt.
very good hello
fully exempt.
excellent that's what exactly I was looking at ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಕೀರ್ತನ ಒಬ್ಳು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ನಾನು 10 ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ 100 ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ agriculture income is fully exempt fully partial integration never taxes agriculture income partial integration only pushes the non-agriculture income
Higher
to the
slab.
higher
To
slab.
the higher
Yes,
slab.
sir.
ಕೃಪಾ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ agriculture income then rubber coffee tea when you are growing and manufacturing ಏನೋ ಭವಾನಿ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ rubber coffee and tea you are growing tea leaves and also making what Supragna tea powder out of it in that case so rubber 65-35 coffee normally 75-25 but coffee cured then with chakori chandra chakori etc ಅಥವಾ tea 60-40 okay so 60-40 highest is agriculture income rest is what non-agriculture where other cases sugar cane converted into bella jaggery then fair market value the sugar cane is added to agriculture income Ramya and the same is deducted from the sugar ಅಥವಾ business income understanding
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm little fast but is it catching
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಟೀ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಏನೋ ತನಕ
Totally exempt.
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಚಕ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಬೌವ್ 5,000 ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ನಾನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಬೌವ್ BL ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ 2,50,000 for you and me 3 lakh rupees for Bhavana who is 60 years and above resident and 8 lakh rupees for Chitra ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಡೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ 5 lakh rupees ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೇಲೆ ತಂದಿರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೊ 5 lakh and above ಅವಳು ನೋಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಯೋಣ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ 60 years and above 3 lakh ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ 80 years and above 5 lakh rupees ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ರು ಸೊ ಭಾವನಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು
60 years.
ಎಷ್ಟು
8 years.
80 years and above because ಪಾಪ ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ 5 lakh ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಚಿತ್ರ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್
40 ಜನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಸೊ but she should be resident individual above 3 lakh and above 5 lakh then scope of total income for the purpose of taxation resident individuals are SCs are classified into three categories. Individual ಮತ್ತೆ HF. R and OR, global income is taxable. R but NOR, only two incomes plus one income taxable. Income received in India plus deemed to be received. Earned in India, deemed to accrue. Then business controlled or profession set up in India, they are taxable. If you are a non-resident, only two incomes are chargeable, received in India and earned in India, including deemed. Artha aita? Now,
Yes.
now, who is resident? It depends on section 6.1. Extremely important. ನಾನು ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು 10 ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ. ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Residential status is 6.1. 182 days or more if you stay in India, you are resident. ಅಥವಾ 60 plus 365 days. 60 days ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. An Indian citizen leaving India for the purpose of employment abroad or as a crew member of Indian ship, 182 days. 60 ಬದಲು 182 days. Whereas Chitra Ujao